This tutorial will show you two methods to add your microphone audio to OBS live streams and recordings. Start by opening OBS. Open the settings. Switch to the audio settings. Find the mic auxiliary options under the devices heading. Select the first mic option and choose your microphone from the device list. Apply your settings and press OK to confirm. Your mic will now be added to the audio mixer. By default, all the devices in the audio mixer will be heard in recordings and streams. If you would like control over what audio is heard in each scene, then you need to mute all the tracks in the mixer. Click the speakers to mute your audio inputs. Choose a scene. Add a new audio input capture. Name the source. Select your microphone from the device menu, then press OK to confirm. You can add your desktop audio by creating a new audio output source. You can set the device to either default or your primary device. Now your audio inputs should be added to the scene. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.